Today, we're comparing two top contenders in the touring tire segment, the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 and the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2. Both tires offer impressive features, but which one stands out in terms of comfort, efficiency, and performance? Let's find out. The Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 excels in wet braking, stopping from 80 to 0 km/h in just 37.4 meters, compared to the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2 stopping distance of 40.3 meters. However, Pirelli shines in aquaplaning resistance. In straight aquaplaning, Pirelli's slipping speed is 81.8 km/h versus Goodyear slipping speed, or 80.3. In dry conditions, Pirelli has a slight edge, stopping from 100 to 0 km/h in 37 meters, whereas Goodyear takes 37.7 meters. This minor difference can be crucial in emergency situations. Goodyear demonstrates remarkable durability, lasting up to 65,700 kilometers, significantly more than Pirelli's 39,500 kilometers. Goodyear also has a lower abrasion rate at 61.3 milligrams per kilometer per ton compared to Pirelli's 82.1 milligrams per kilometer per ton, indicating slower material loss and better long-term performance. Both tires offer similar exterior noise levels, with Goodyear at 70.6 decibels and Pirelli at 70.5 decibels, ensuring a quiet driving experience. Both tires are equal in fuel efficiency, each consuming 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers, making them ideal for eco-friendly driving. In conclusion, the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 excels in mileage and wet braking performance, while the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2 excels in aquaplaning resistance and dry braking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.